everyone, today we're gonna make pancakes! Yay! First we're gonna crack some eggs and then we're gonna beat the eggs. We've added the eggs, now we've added the cup of flour. We've added a cup of milk, now we're gonna add some vanilla. Now we whisk. Yeah, that's a lot of ingredients. We decided to blend it because it gets rid of all of the lumps. I'm going to throw it in the oven for 3 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. We melted our butter in the oven. Now we're gonna put the mix in. Look at that, Dad.
Very nice.
Hi guys, look, it's done. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like and share.